Rodrigo.
Ay, umanda sa inyong tanan. Ako si Michael Villas
At ako naman si Axel Garcia.
Maligayang pagdating sa Western Visayas. Historical background of the region. Region 6. It was created by virtue of Presidential Decree Number 1 as part of the integrated reorganization plan of President Ferdinand Edelny Marcos.
Region 6 is composed of 6 provinces. Number 1 is Aklan, Antique, Capiz, Guimaras, Iloilo, and Negros Occidental. Languages or dialects.
There's a lot of language and dialect that Region 6 use. These are Hiligaynon, Inaray, Malaynon, Cebuano, at Arteano.
This is the first province in Region 6. Welcome to Aklan. Aklan, home of abaca and piña fibers. Aklan, the capital, is Calibo. It was a total land area of 1,853 square kilometers. This is the oldest province in the Philippines. Aklan locations northern east portion of Panay, bounded by Sulu Sea. Of the northwest, Sibuyan Sea on the northeast, Antique on the west, Capiz on the south. Aklan, home of piña fibers and also rambutan center of Asia. It is said to be the oldest province in the Philippines, organized in 1213 by settlers from Borneo. It was inaugurated as an independent province on November 8, 1956. It was originally known as Inuro, it's Acayan. Aklan economic major industries is agriculture, tourism, avocado productions, piña cloth bearing queen of the Philippines, fabrics, pulp making, red clay. The products naman is banana, palay, fiber crops, coconut, rambutan, mango, and avocado. Aklan is the famous festival is Ati-Atian Festival. Calibo Aklan every third Sundays of January reveals in the colors, costumes, and bodies painted back and their faces made it up, cosplaying a celebration of deeply between the Ati and Malayan tribes who settled in the Iceland. When the Spaniards settled in the region and converted the Malays to Christian religions, the festivity was celebrated in honor of the Holy Chant of San Benito. This historical attraction in Aklan. Historical attraction in Aklan is Freedom Drive, dedicated to 19 martyrs of Aklan who started the revolutions against Spain. The next one is natural attractions in Boracay. Natural attraction in Aklan. This is Boracay Island in Malay, Paradise Island of the Philippines. This is the world famous for its fine dolly farm, green-edged sugar, fine white sand beaches, Axur's water, coral reef, and versions. At pinakasikat po siyang beaches dito sa buong Pilipinas. At narayan siya ng iba't ibang turista galing sa iba't ibang bansa. The next one is another attraction. It's Jawili Falls. Jawili Falls has 7 basic shrines about 20 feet apart. It's the highest basin. It's about 100 feet high, oval shape, around 240 square feet in area. And the 12 feet deep clear water almost like a small lake. The next one is famous food in Aklan. Inubarang manok is gawa po siya sa native na manok and tinadtad na tanglad. The next provinces is Antique. Antique is the limestone country. The capital is San Jose. Buena Vista. It was one of 3 districts of Panay before the Spanish colonizers arrived, formerly known as Antique. Negritos or Atis were believed to be earliest people who settled in island of Panay. They have developed their own distinct language called Tinraya. Location in Antique. It was bounded by Rugis Mountain of Panay, Aklan in the northeast, Capiz on the east, Iloilo in the southeast, part of China Sea on the west. This economy in Antique. Products is copra, palay, sugar, fruits, vegetables, fish, seaweeds, and iba. And major industries is agriculture and fishing. Antique Festival is Binarayan Festival, celebrated every December 27 to 29. It was started in San Jose 34 years old ago by late Go Emilio Abir, brother of former congressman, now is Ezekiel B. A week-long festivities of color field parades, beach shows, plaza concerts, and beauty concerts. Binaraban, Biray of Sailboat in Carayan. Historical attraction is Antique is Aninay Church. It's a massive white coral building located in Poblaciones, Aninay, south of San Jose, Venezuela. The next is natural attractions in Antique is Bugtong Bato Waterfalls. Ideals for excursions, picnics, and excellent opportunities for bathing, swimming, and picture taking. The first 3 waterfalls with a height of 150 feet in accessibility. The next is Kaluyan Island, a hidden gem in Antique. The absence of high trees makes the island as a perfect getaway for nature trippers who want a respite from the pains of city life. There, they can go snorkeling, diving, boating, or swimming alongside playful dolphins. The next is famous food is binabak. Binabak is gawa po siya sa giniling na hipon and na may sili at bawang. The next is welcome to Capiz. Capiz is 66 seafoods capital of the Philippines. There are 2 main versions of how Capiz get its name. The one is Achaean and Capi, meaning is twins, with Balingangan, Datu, Bangkayas. Eldest son's name is Teritoris in honor of his twin daughters. The second one is when the Spaniards established a settlement, they found an abundance of mollusks called Discois and Capis. The old native name which has come to know as Capis. It is known for its mother of her shells that have the same name are used decorations making lampshades, trays, and windows doors. Capi's location is northern east fortune of Panay, Iceland. Borderi, Aklan, and Antique on the west. Iloilo to the south. It faces the Sibuyan Sea to the north. Capi's economy is other manufacturing industries like bakery, shell crops, handicrafts, and products like palay, sugarcane, coconut, and banana. Capi's festival is Aswang Festival. The town people celebrate their annual festival. They call this Aswang Festival is celebrated every 20th and 30th day of the month of October. This includes the parade of participants donning the foremost dreadful costumes like kapre, wakwak, and tikbalang. Historical attractions in Capiz. Saint Monica Church. The ancient historical monument represents the founding the Christianity of the island of Panay. It is also the home of the largest church bell in the Philippines and Asia. The next one is Pilar Cave. About 2 years ago, town people discovered earth spots with intricately inside design. The cave's most have a virtual site is pre-Spanish Filipinos. The Belicion Cave is in Habla Capiz. The revolutionaries built the Spanish soldiers it as from Heraho. The next is Kipot Cave. Kipot Cave is consists the many chambers is the level different from other chambers. In certain sections, space between the roof and cave floor is just 2 to 3 feet. There are also sections that shape like a dead end. This holds like a chamber as a big as a hotel, ballroom, which is why this is dubbed as the Kipot Hilton. The next one is famous food in Capiz. This is la binakol. Ito po ay gawa sa native na manok na niluto sa loob ng niyog. The next is provinces is Iloilo.
Welcome to Iloilo. Iloilo, also known as the heart of the Philippines. The capital is Iloilo City, and it has a total land area of 5,000.83 square kilometers, and Iloilo is the oldest province in the Philippines. And Martin Chopilio Delgado was the first appointed government in Iloilo. Their most prominent dialect are Hiligaynon and Pinaray. Next. Location. The location of Iloilo is in western Visayas region of the Philippines, southeastern part of Panay Island, bordered by Sulu Sea, Visayas Sea, Tutulos Channel, and Iloilo City, situated at the mouth of the Borok River. Iloilo, heart of the Philippines, and Iloilo City called the City of Love. It was called the heart of the Philippines because of its strategic central location in the Philippines. The Philippine archipelago, which made it major historical hub for trade and a center of commerce. City of Love. City of Love refers to its welcoming people and rich culture and includes other titles like Queen City of the South. Iloilo economy. In major industry, Iloilo has an IT or BPO, gastronomy, tourism, agriculture, especially rice and bananas production, and fisheries. In products, we have KBL or Kadgos, Baboy at Langka. Meron din tayo ditong biskotyo, dried seafood, oblon at match cafe. Yan po yung mga product na pinagmamalaki ng Iloilo. Next is Iloilo Festival. Iloilo Festival ay kilala ang Dinagyang Festival. Ang Dinagyang Festival is an annual religious and cultural celebration held every fourth Sunday of January in Iloilo City to honor the Holy Child Senior Santo Niño. It is known for its impressive street dancing and parades, and it also commemorates the arrival of Malay settlers and the butler of Panay. Other notable events in Iloilo includes the Iloilo City Charter Day and the Bike Festival. Next is the historical attractions of Iloilo. The Graciano Lopez Haina Monument. The Graciano, dedicated to Graciano Lopez Haina, a Filipino hero, journalist, orator, and reformist. Next is natural attractions in Iloilo. The Gigantes Islands, also known as the Islas de Gigantes or the Islands of Giants. It is a famous, stunning white sand beach, limestone clubs, turkeys, lagoons, and fresh, affordable seafoods. The name comes from the local legend that the huge bones were found in the cave on the islands during the Spanish colonial era, leading to the belief that giants human once lived there. Next is Tanque Saltwater Lagoon in the Isla de Gigantes. A natural pool enclosed by limestone clubs, accessible during high tide. It is ideal for swimming in its emerald waters. Next is food and delicacies of Iloilo. Lapas Batchoy. Lapas Batchoy is a hearty, savory noodle soup made with egg noodles in a rich pork and chicken broth. Next is welcome to Guimaras. Guimaras, or also known as the mango capital of the Philippines. Guimaras is the capital of Guimaras is municipality of Jordan. It is situated between the islands of Panay and Negros. The province is the popular destination for its sweets, mangoes, white sand, beaches, and ecotourism activities like island hopping. Next is the location of Guimaras. Guimaras is located in western Visayas region of the Philippines. To its north is the Visayan Sea. it is the Guimaras Strait, separating it from Negros Occidental. Its south is Panay Road. To its west is Panay Island. This is the location and location of Guimaras. Next is the Guimaras economy. Major industries of Guimaras is this. Guimaras has a agriculture, good tourism, and lot of fisheries. And Guimaras products, the products of Guimaras is the mangoes, dried mangoes, jams, salted cashew nuts, cashew kuwis, cashew pulveron, cashew wine, and bandi kasoy. Next is Guimaras Festival. The famous and festival in Guimaras is the Mangga Festival, held every May to celebrate the province prize mango harvest. It features events like parades, cultural performance, and mango in street dance battle, and a mango eat all you can fest. Next is the historical attractions of Guimaras. The Jusi Lighthouse. Jusi Lighthouse is an 18th century Spanish colonial lighthouse in Guimaras. Philippines known for being the second oldest in the country. Next is the national attraction is Tacloban Island National Marine Reserve. 1,143 hectares protected area with rich marine biodiversity, including coral reefs, seagrass beds, and mangroves. Next is food and delicacies of is grilled oyster. Grilled oyster in Guimaras. You can eat delicious grilled oyster in Guimaras at places like the Oyster Shop in San Miguel and in Jordan. And this is their delicacies. The grilled oyster. Next is welcome to Negros. Negros are also known for the sugar bowl of the country. Negros Island is divided into two provinces, and with the new law, Negros Occidental and Negros Oriental, including City Hall, is now formed of the Negros Island region, or NIR. The capital of Negros Occidental is Bacolod, and the capital of Negros Oriental is Dumaguete. The island is a major producer of sugar and organic products. Next is the location of Negros. Negros Island is located in the Visayas Central Philippines between Panay and Cebu Islands. Negros is bordered by the Bohol Sea, Guimaras Strait, Panay Gulf, Sulu Sea, Canyon Strait, and Visayas Sea. Negros economy. The product of Negros are sugar, coffee, black pepper, heirloom vegetable, woven mats, basket, smoked clothing, cotton, and fish products. In major industry, Negros has the dominance of the sugar industry. It also diverse agriculture of production. Negros also has mineral resource and thriving tourism sectors. Also manufacturing and processing. And also Negros has a energy production. Next is Negros Festival. Negros Festival is known, the famous festival is the Mascara Festival. The Mascara Festival is an annual celebration held in Bacolod City. Negros Occidental City, Negros Occidental, every October. The festival is a vibrant event featuring street dancers in colorful, smiling masks, parades, and parties, with its name derived from the Spanish word many and face. It began in 1980 during the time of peace to boost community spirit and is now a symbol of resilience and optimism. Next is the historical attractions of Negros. The Campanario de Dumaguete. Campanario de Dumaguete, historic coral stone watchtower and bell tower in Dumaguete City, built in 18th century to ward against pirates attacks. Next natural attraction is the Ulangbato Falls. Ulangbato Falls, also known as Malabo Falls, is a stunning waterfalls located in Agoy Valley in Valencia, Negros Occidental. The name Ulangbato translated to the red rock in Philippines, derived from the reddish rock and sulfur deposits that give the waterfalls all its distinctive color. Next is the food and delicacies of Negros. The piaya. Piaya is a sweet and leavened flatbread pastry. It is made by filling a dough with muscovado sugar and sometimes sesame seeds, then flattening and cooking it on a griddle. And that would be all.
Thank you guys. Madam Gigs, salamat sa inyong tanan. Sana nagiging kayo sa aming tour sa Western Visayas. Come and explore. Thank you.